In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a variation product in WooCommerce. Now, this is actually very simple. First, click on New up top, and then click on Product over here. And this is going to take you to a new product page where first, of course, you have to give your product a name, a description, etc. I'm going to skip this because the most important part is going to be inside the product data. So you want to open up the product data once you've done everything else up here, and then where it says symbol product, click on it, the drop down menu, and make sure you click on variable product. Now here you can already see there's variations, but first, if you want to actually add the variations, you must add in the attributes, okay? So attributes basically can be whatever, so this is going to be completely up to you what you're going to do. For this instance, I'm going to do, let's say, 2 different attributes, and I'm going to do color and size. So let's say the first one is going to be color, and you can then add in your values. And by the way, as you can see over here, they have to be kind of divided by this vertical line. If you don't know how to make this or how to type this in using your keyboard, just go ahead and Google that, and it's going to show you how to actually do it for your specific keyboard. It's a bit different depending on where you live, etc. So just go ahead and type in whatever. The values here I'm going to do, let's say, red, and I'm going to go ahead and make one which is brown, and then I'm going to make one which is going to be, let's say, yellow, okay? And then the second one is going to be, I'm going to put in size. Values are going to be S, and I'm going to be selling M, and I'm also going to be selling L and XL, okay? So after you do this, you can of course click on if you want it to be visible on the product page, and if you want it to be used for variations. If you do, make sure the check marks are on. If not, just untick the marks, and there we go. Then make sure you actually save these attributes, and then you can go ahead and go inside variations, and here you have 2 options. You can either add in manually, so if you click on manually, you can go ahead and pick between, of course, the colors and sizes or whatever attributes you've set, and then you'll be good to go. You can customize that yourself, save the changes, and that's it. Or you can generate all variations by, of course, clicking that. So I'm just going to go ahead and cancel this, and you can click on generate variations. This will generate all of them. Click on OK, and all the possible variations will be added down here. There we go, and you can go ahead, open up every single one, and you can just set the image, and you can fill in all the data, the weight, the dimensions, description, stock status, price, etc. And then make sure you actually save, and you've successfully added a variation product in WooCommerce. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.